Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aviwed. Come, let me show you how I use this bra cup to make this beautiful fascinator that got everyone talking. Come. I'm going to be making use of this satin. So first thing first, I added my UHU glue around the bra cup like this. This is a very wide one, okay? I think this should be about 48 or thereabout. So you could use any size of your choice. After applying the UHU around the edges, I just place the satin over it and try to smoothen it out. Thereafter, I cut off the rough edges, leaving about half an inch or 1 inch that I can fold inside. You can see me adding glue on the inner part, and now I'm pressing it down to hold it together. Here's what we have. You can see how smooth it is without having some rough edges. Okay. Thereafter, I'll take my nails. So this is a new design to me. Just add some silicone glue with my candle glue gun. Then press it like a pleating. I'm pleating over it, pleating on top. So you can see, just watch and see what I'm doing. Very easy. Just hold it like this and put it over the other one. Let it overlap, but let it show like pleating. Just add the glue at both edges. Don't put at the middle of it. So that's how I'll keep doing it till I achieve or till I fold it. Ensure that the net is very long so that it can cover everywhere, since you're going to be folding it. Okay. So here I'm already at the middle. I'm still folding, so you can see it. You can see how neat it's looking. Just the glue should be at the edges so that it's not going to be showing. And press it down at each point. Always raise it up like this. Add little and press it down. So still doing it. Okay, after that, here is what I have. You see it's looking beautiful. So I'm going to cut off some part of it and also cover the inner part of it with my bias. So I decided to add another layer over it, but this time around the layer will not cover the head like the top of the crown. It's just going to be at the edges. You can see where I'm starting it from. So it's going to be the same length, but it's going to start from this down part where I'm folding it. As you can see what I'm doing, just watch closely and you will understand this. So I'm still adding my glue and pleating it over it as well. I just wanted that place to have a full effect. Okay, after that I decided to cut it, to trim it off again, because I discovered I was too long. I also trimmed the other side as well, so they are all looking equal now. And this place, I discovered that this front side is kind of too light because I used just one layer. So I'm also going to add to pleat over it a little bit so that it can also have a full effect as well. So thereafter, I'll just trim off the rough excess or edges and make it smooth. You can see I'm still reducing it because the more I try it or the more I see the reason to reduce it. So now I'm just dropping my bead because that part where I was adding the glue the other time to pleat it kind of was showing, so I needed to use beads to cover up that side so that no one knows what happened there. You know how we usually do it, right? Yes, that's the trick. Wow, this is beautiful. I also covered the inner part with my bias, put in my hairband, and this is absolutely amazing. Is this not beautiful? Wow, this is so nice. Let me put it on so you can see how it looks on me, the fitting on me. Okay, this is us going to church. Okay, so my beautiful children, because it was my birthday Thanksgiving, so we're twinning. You can see everybody on pink. It's so amazing. I'm just feeling the vibe of this fascinator. Here is church. There's something about this fascinator that I love so much. That is that it's so light. You will not even know that you are putting anything on your head. It's just like you're using hair ruffles, like so light you can't even feel the weight because there is no wire, no millinery wire added. Everything is so light, the brack up so light. So I'm turning it over now. You can actually use any side in front and it's just going to give you that vibe. Oh my god, this my birthday was so amazing, coupled with the looks, coupled with everything. This is a close range. You can see the way it is on my head. Is it not lovely? If you like this video, please, as usual, give it a very big thumbs up. Help us to share this video. Share, and share. If you have not followed this page or subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. And God bless you for that. Stay tuned for more creative videos like this. I remain your favorite millionaire, Avi Words. See you in my next video. Bye. Love you. Enjoy the view.